All right, day 2 of the hosta experience. Got a Sunjo 15 amp. It's really made for twigs and branches, but I tried putting some of this stuff in there too, and it does a little bit of work to it. You're hearing that chipper in the background, that's that's my deer warning. It's sensing a motion, which is my motion, and it flashes a light, and it's supposed to keep the deer away. It's still new, so I don't know. I have 3 of them around here. We'll see what happens, because hosta is one of the desired meals. Anyway, back to the Sunjo. It looks like it works pretty well. It definitely takes the branches and turns them into sawdust, which is good. And then the little shrub stuff that I picked up, it doesn't do a great job. It's not designed for it, but it does kind of reduce the size of it a little bit, so I'm okay with that. I'm very happy with this guy. It's $100 at Amazon, delivered. I don't know how they do it, and I'm not going to complain or question too loudly. I'm just going to say thank you for being there and doing it. That doghouse got to be 40 years old now. A lot of parts are missing, and the rest of it will go away. Spy's at the day spa today, so you won't see him hanging out, and he's at the spa for today and tomorrow, because tomorrow is a school day, so I'll be in Brooklyn, and he'll be hanging out with his friends at the dog boarding place, which is pretty nice. All right, so this is all going to be buried because it's going to be on the pea stone that is back here. You can see some of the pea stone from last year's project. That's our deer warning, motion warning, and so that'll all be covered up. The brick will be covered up with vegetation. We got some stuff coming up already, and then all of this will go away, and then whatever doesn't get chewed up like that, whatever doesn't get chewed up any finer than that will just get tilled into the soil. So I think a lot of these branches here, the sawdust there down at the bottom is definitely old wood, many years old. So that should be okay for tilling into the soil, and we'll see what happens.